In this video, I want to show you how to change the language of your DJI Osmo Action 6. Maybe you purchased this camera from another country and you want to put it in English or your own language. Simply drag down from the top of the screen, tap the settings icon, go down, and one of the options should be language. Here we go, language. Tap here. You're going to have a series of language you'll be able to choose from. And once you have found the one that you want, simply tap on it, go back. And as you see, the menu has been changed to another language, French in this case. So every time you want to do this, go back, choose your language, and automatically, without the camera having to restart, it will be switched. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.